did you think of Townsville?
Beautiful. Beautiful place.
Lovely place to spend a few hours, certainly.
Really enjoyed it from the moment we came off the ship. Everyone's been so helpful. We got the bus in, the free shuttle bus, and we went to the ferry and went across to Magnetic Island, which had some fantastic beers. Really enjoyed the beers, the sunshine. It was hot at this time of the year.
So we really enjoyed it. As my husband said, we didn't get to the Maritime Museum, but we'll have to come back and do that.
Yeah.
We went to Magnetic Island, which is, was a lovely island. Good swim in Horseshoe Bay.
Yep.
And a lovely lunch.
Had a lovely,
reasonable.
beautiful lunch over there, didn't we?
Yeah.